friends, Govind this side. Welcome back. This is chapter 11 where we are going to look more about Spotify plugin. In our last video, we have discussed on Spotify plugin. We add the Spotify plugin in our form.xml and create the Docker image of our application. In this video, we want to create the build of our application and then its Docker image. Also, we want to push the Docker image into the Docker hub. So all the three tasks will do with only one single Maven command. Okay, this is the command. With this single command, we will create the build of our application and its Docker image, and the Docker image will push into the Docker Hub repository. Okay, so how do we achieve this? So let's start. Okay, so before going forward, if you are new to this channel, so I request you to go and watch my previous video. Then only you get the better understanding on this. Okay, so this is a simple Spring Boot application containing one Docker file. Okay, this is normal Docker configuration. Docker did this configuration and create a Docker file as docker demo.jar. This is our application name. When I build this application, the jar is created inside target folder. Okay, so now we need to add Spotify plugin in form.xml. Okay, in last video also we add to just one goal. Okay, and goal is to create the image. But today we have two goals. We want to create the image and want to push that image onto the Docker Hub. So this is my blog where I added the plugin, so you can copy from here. Also I have given description section. Okay, so copy this, and inside plugins there is already one plugin, and add this Spotify plugin. Okay, there is plugins two times, so remove one. Okay, so let's understand. So this is Spotify plugin having the version 1.4.13 and the goal is build. Okay, we want to build the application, and second goal is we want to push our application onto the Docker Hub. That's why two goal, build and push. Okay, in last video we had only one goal, build, but in this video we had two goal because we want to push our application onto the Docker Hub repository. Next, here you want to pass the your username of a Docker Hub. Okay, so hard. Okay, so this is the username of my Docker Hub repository, and here you need to pass the any name of image name. So image name I will give Docker demo image. Okay, Docker demo image is my image name, and here I pass the tag as latest. Okay, this is the important tag. In this tag, user Maven setting for auth true. Okay, so what is this? So with this tag, Docker check in the setting.xml file where credential available or not. Means your Docker Hub credential check in setting.xml file. So let's create the setting.xml file inside the M2 folder. So go here M2 folder inside your C drive. So go C drive, users, inside users there is a M2 folder. Inside the M2 folder create one file. Okay, and this file is settings.xml file. Okay, and here you need to add the your Docker Hub credentials. So now our Docker Hub credential, this is the XML file format, so this is nothing new. Okay, copy this and paste here. Okay, so this is the server information. Docker IO is the Docker Hub URL. Username, here you need to pass the username, and here you need to pass the password of your Docker Hub repository. Okay, so this is my username. On Docker Hub I have already created the account. Hardcoder Baba, this is a username which I pass here. Okay, and this is the password. Okay, next this is just a plugin name. Okay, so file, save as, file, save setting.xml. Okay, let's check. Okay, now go to the Windows preferences. From here, just go to the user Maven. Inside Maven user setting, and here we need to pass the Maven means setting.xml path. Okay, so browse. So here our C drive users Arcanisi m2 folder setting.xml. Select this, apply. Okay, yes. And there is one more menu, installations. In installation we need to pass the Maven path. Okay, so Maven path is on C drive software. There is my Maven is present. I will show you. No, on E drive. Okay, so E drive, go in software, and this is Apache Maven. Okay, so this path you need to pass in your installations. Okay, apply and close. And now let's go run Maven build, and here you need to pass that single command. Okay, now this single command will create the build image and push that application onto the Docker Hub. So just paste, apply and run. Build is done. Now this all the 4 step is done. Okay, this image creation started. Okay, this 4 step from add entry point, this all 4 step. Okay, 4 step done, image creation done. Now image pushing started. Okay, emoji is pushed. Okay, image is pushed, hardcoded Baba demo. Okay, so let's check what is our image name. Let's go to form.xml and first check the image name. What is Docker demo image? So go into the Docker Hub. This is Docker Hub repository. Okay, just refresh page. Here is Docker demo image. Okay, Docker demo image push onto the Docker Hub repository. Okay, so with this single command, this console. Okay, with this single command our application build is created. After that image is creation. Okay, this is the 4th step where image is created, and after that this image pushed onto the Docker Hub. Okay, so these all tasks done with only single command. In our previous video we have created the build first, then its Docker image and this push. We have